Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another amazing tech video. And the video of today is actually all about the mouse pad. If you remember, I just had where's my old mouse pad? Easy peasy. Now we have our old mouse pad like this way. Now let us just transform to a new one. Okay, here we got it. As you can see guys, this is the new mouse pad. I ordered it online. I saw it's an RGB, and something which is great about it is just that it glows with our ecosystem. Yeah, so well, if you don't know about it, some of you guys requested my studio tour, and I said I will roll out that video as quickly as possible because I've been lately not rolling out the studio tour since last time I did the studio 1.0, if I remember. But this is how we get our mousepad. As you can see, for the first thing on the box doesn't look good because of the packaging of them, or the airplane, or the shipping, or yeah, never mind. Because of the RGB looking here, as you can see on the box, looks so glowing. But something which captured me, or something which I was doubting myself, is just that I thought that the RGB mousepad gonna look like this one because I don't want it to be bigger, but surprisingly it's a very bigger one. So I think we should just peel this one off and get our mousepad out of it. Then we get yeah, that's what it is. So as you can see on this mousepad, what we have here, it's very freaking big, and you can see we have the port here of USB. I guess this is USB 2.0, and this is how it looks like, USB 2.0. We can click on this button for changing. You can see this button here, you can click it for changing different type of RGB lighting, I guess. So this is how it works on this kind of panel here. Another kind of stuff, we get a USB. What I love about ordering things online so many times about electronics is just that they give me a lot of USB, and I appreciate it 100%. And the USB is not that much smaller, it's freaking long, so it can stay there under the dock and it's going to be up and can do a clean setup. So for further info, let us just do the setup. The material is soft microfiber, what they're stating here. Soft microfiber, 14 model spectrum backlight, that means it's the lightning and stuff. Another kind of stuff is the rubber base seems to be so nice. Another kind of stuff is 350 by 250 millimeters, that means that the size out of it. Another kind of stuff is USB plug and play, so it's a plug and play. You don't need to unplug, or you don't need to apply. You have just to, you know what to do. Gotta do it, just plug and play. That was easy. Another kind of stuff is 1800 millimeter. That's the circumference of all of it, how it looks like. As you can see, if I just like remove out of it, this is the circumference of the mouse pad. This is something which is so incredible. It's as you can see, the material out of it, you're gonna love it. The material looks so good. You can just tell no difference with this material. And stating about this material, it's quite different things. It's so amazing. So as you can tell how the RGB just glows, you can just change different type of mode, and I'm so excited having this mouse pad as an RGB because I have the LED down below, which I just did the setup out of it, but I didn't give out the review. And I'm planning to switch the LED since I've been using it for almost 1.5 years until right now, and I lost the remote out of it. But that's not such a big deal since I ordered another kind of stuff. That's a different video in a different scenario. But this scenario of today, as you can see on this mouse pad, what I'm excited is just that you can change different mode. If I click here, you can see it turn out to be a little bit like reddish and stuff like that, and greenish and stuff like that, which it gives you that kind of flawless on how your mouse pad works. So if I press the button again, it gives me a different type of mode of color changing. I think this is so dope, but I hate this how it does, because it just changes, like it's just like this way, like that. But I wanted to just do some breathing and stuff. This looks good too, but you can see the color change out of it, just like swipes off, which is quite not bad. You can swipe another color. This is like breathing, I guess so. No, this is too dope because it breathes and does this way. That's dope. Just like the LED down below, which we did it. So I think this is much better. This looks cool. This looks cool. It breathes this way, which is quite decent. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you got the mouse pad. It's so amazing. And another kind of stuff, if you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing, like this video, and perhaps you could do some sharing. It's gonna be so exciting. Another kind of stuff. Catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace. And stay tuned for the next unboxing. You're gonna love this unboxing because there's something coming which is so memorable. I don't want to just take you guys out of the lane, but I just want to give you a sneak peek. This is something which was back in the days. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna enjoy it, and you're gonna reminisce the memories on how back in the days tech was. So thank you guys for watching once again. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.